Hi, welcome to Recipe Kitchen. Today I am sharing vegan, gluten-free and zero oil Chana Masala recipe, a popular Indian curry made with chickpeas. Be sure to watch the video. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification. Let us go through the recipe. Here we took 250 gram of chana, clean, wash and soak chana overnight in water or 5 to 6 hours. This reduces cooking time to almost half. Add soaked chana to the pressure cooker. Next, we add 2 finely chopped onions. We took some spices that gives an earthy taste to the chickpeas. 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves and 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 4 cups of water. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook chickpeas until soft or 3 to 4 whistles over medium to low flame. Now the chickpeas are done. Gently mash 1/4 of the boiled chana using a masher or with the back of a spoon or ladle to thicken the gravy. Heat a pan over low flame. Add 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing and 1 teaspoon of fennel powder. Try roast the spices for 10 to 20 seconds to release the aroma. Now we are adding boiled chickpeas. Now put the flame high. Add 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, ½ teaspoon of cumin powder and ½ teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine. Cover the pan with a lid. Let it cook over medium to high flame for the next 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Now the gravy becomes almost thick. Now add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and 1-inch piece of sliced ginger and 3 slitted green chilies. Squeeze half of a lemon. Add a handful of coriander leaves. Stir to mix nicely. Again, cover the pan with the lid and cook for 3 minutes in a low flame. Now turn off the heat. This is a bookmark worthy recipe that always yields finger-licking good chana masala with minimal time in the kitchen. Serve this chana masala warm with naan, puri or kulcha.